Lie on your side on the edge of a couch or your bed. Bring your 1 foot forward and drop it down. Make sure your hips are parallel, because if you roll forward, you're going to be stretching your back. Hi, Dr. Malka here, coming to you from Los Angeles, California. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your IT band pain with easy stretches and exercises that you can do at home. Now let's switch sides. Once again, the edge of your couch or bed, bring the leg forward and drop it down. So this IT band, it starts here at the glutes and tensor fascia lata and comes all the way down and crosses the knee. So by stretching this, you can help take care of some hip pain or even knee pain. Another way to stretch the tensor fascia lata is to bring the leg up and then simply bring it across the body. You want to make sure, again, you're not lifting the hips, otherwise you're just going to be stretching the low back. So try to keep the hips on the table, bringing the leg across the body like so. If you have a hard time keeping this leg up, maybe it's dropping down because you have tight hamstrings, you can use a belt, a dog leash, a strap, and hook it to the foot, and then help guide the leg across the body like so. You can hold this for 30 seconds, a minute, a couple minutes, and just feel that loosening up right here. Now let's switch legs. The leg is going to be perfectly straight, opposite hand on that strap and across the body. And you see, I'm not lifting that hip. That hip needs to stay firmly on whatever surface you are on, whether that be the bed, the floor. I'm on a treatment table. And just hold it for 30 seconds. Also with this stretch, you can do stretching against resistance, which I love. So in this position, you're going to be lifting your leg up in this direction without changing the range of motion. So just push up against the strap. Relax, and then bring it down. And see, I can go a little bit further. Push up 10% of your strength for 10 seconds. Relax, and see how much further I can drop it down. That stretching against resistance is really powerful. And I do this in a lot of my videos. Let's do that other side. Opposite hand, legs straight. Bring it across the body like so. Keeping the hips on the table. I almost forgot myself and rolled them up. And then just pushing in this direction, but not changing the range of motion. Just lift and hold. And then relax. See if you can go a little further. 10% of your strength for 10 seconds. Just push up against the strap. And relax down. Like so. If you're in an area where you need to stretch standing because you can't lie down, bring the one leg behind the other, bring the arm up, and then drop over to the side where the leg is behind the other leg. You don't have to bring your arms up. You could just do it like this, but this will intensify the stretch. And these fingers are going to come down the leg. If you feel a little unstable, make sure there's a chair or a table next to you to hold on to. And hold this stretch for 30 seconds. Now the other side, once again, bring the leg behind the other leg, and then tilt the body to the side where the leg is behind. And you can even bring your arm up and over like so. And hold it for 30 seconds. And you can repeat this for 3 to 5 times. Now it's time to exercise these muscles, the tensor fascia lata and that glute muscle I was telling you about, because then they just continue into the IT band. So starting off with clamshells, have the legs at 45-degree angle, and lift the leg up and down. Lift the leg up and down. And continue this for a minute or 2 minutes. And make sure you do the other side. And when I'm doing this, the hips are parallel. So when I'm lifting up, I'm not lifting and rolling the body. I'm lifting up and then down. And if you keep these hips parallel, you can really feel those muscles working. So you'll know by about the 5th time, you'll feel that muscle. And then you know that you're doing it correctly. And then let's do the other side. Hips parallel, feet together, 45-degree angle. Lift up and down. Lift up and down. And you see I'm not rolling my back. I'm keeping the pelvis perpendicular to the table and parallel with each other. And continue for a minute or 2 minutes. The next exercise are with the legs. The lower leg can be bent. The upper leg is going to be perfectly straight. Toes slightly tilted forward. Bring it up and bring it down. And again, the toes slightly tilted forward. Nice controlled movements. And again, 30 seconds a minute until you feel like you're fatiguing. And then switch sides. Hips parallel. Toe forward, up and down. 30 seconds to a minute. So if you feel like you benefited from this video, please like and subscribe. We will be launching a new YouTube video every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. and I'll be available for any questions you have or suggestions for future videos.